Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Empower Personal Dashboard app. So let's get started. So to download and install that, you have to follow this easy step. So first of all, just open your Google Play Store, okay, and you will directly search for the Empower uh, Personal Dashboard app, okay. So here we can see the Empower Personal Dashboard app. So from here you can just click on download and it will automatically download and install, then you can use it. So by this way you can just download and install and use this. Basically this app is for recruitment for the employees and other things. You can also rate this app and you can see the ratings too. So this is the app, and if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.